that you wanna have one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real.
Hey guys, welcome to Lola's Lifestyles, and today we're going to be unboxing the on-the-go Louis Vuitton handbag, the GM size. Now, I've been wanting this bag for a very long time. I was at the mall today and my brother said just get it, so we got it. So shout out to what I'm wearing today. It is from the Mommy and Me collection from Target. I did get it after it was on sale, and yeah, I've been wanting it, so whatever. So the handbag that I got came in this beautiful orange color bag with blue handles, and yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna bring my trusted chair over here to help me because it is a big bag and a big box, and it comes in this beautiful orange box. Hold on, let me get this bag out of the way. So we're gonna open it. They did tie it up with a bow tie, and the receipt came outside of here as well. So I did purchase this handbag at the Louis Vuitton store at the Natick Mall in Natick, Massachusetts. They just redid this store because it was at another location at the mall, but they found that it wasn't bringing in a lot of clients, so they decided to switch it to another part of the mall, which is right outside of the Nordstrom store. And they told me that it's been bringing in a lot of business. The store at the Natick Mall does have handbags, has travel, has clothing, has fragrance, has sunglasses, accessories, and a whole lot more. So if you guys are in the Natick, Massachusetts area, definitely hit that store at the Natick Mall. Not sponsored, just shouting them out. It does come in a storage tote, in a storage bag, which was I was told to keep it in this. Don't keep it in the box because it is an all leather handbag and you definitely don't want to sweat it out. So it comes in a beautiful bag to store it. And what we've been waiting for, it's the bag. So it comes with the hand holders. You can hold them like this. It also comes with shoulder straps for length. You can carry it like this. This is an all leather monogram bag. You can hide the straps on the inside and just carry it like this if you want to. Or you can carry it like this, whichever way you want to carry it. Do a little share from Clueless. I personally, I'm going to wait on using it because in order to keep the integrity of the bag, you want to put a liner in it to kind of like an organizer to organize it. If you guys can see, it is orange on the inside. It comes with a zipper on one side, and then it comes with two convenient pouches also. The thing I love about Louis Vuitton bags is that it's a timeless piece, meaning it doesn't lose value. It actually holds its value if you keep it in a very good condition. If you're not using it, obviously store it properly in the bag that they give you. And yeah, but this is the bag, guys. And I have the specs for you guys here. So let me go ahead and read you guys the specs. So just in case you guys are interested in buying it. This is the GM, so it's the grand size, not the MM. So the GM the specs are 16.1 inches length. It is 13.4 inches height, and the width of it is 7.5 inches. So it is a good bag. It's a good size. You could definitely use it for like a weekend bag if you guys are going to be traveling. And the hardware is gold colored. And yeah, it's such a beautiful bag, guys. I'm very excited that we were able to get it. And it also has the Louis Vuitton emblem on the inside. You can read it right here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Wow, guys, I'm actually amazed of this bag. It's so beautiful. And you know it is authentic when you have the Louis Vuitton emblem on the hardware. So it is fully authentic. The cost of this bag was, I'm gonna read it to you guys, is a $3,500 bag bought on my dollar. This video is definitely not sponsored, and we got it on our own dime, guys. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. On a quick shout out to Junebug Media Productions for the editing of this video. A quick shout out to obviously Target for the Mommy and Me collection of in this pajamas, which I absolutely love. And I hope you guys like this unboxing video. More to come. Have a very good night, guys, and thank you for watching Lola's Lifestyle.